Worst infestation I've ever seen.
Sure is, Hank. Never seen anything like it.
This is obviously some new terrible strain of flea, Jib.
Sure is, Hank. It's a good thing we're safely sealed in our airtight protective suits, otherwise we wouldn't last 5 seconds here.
Just gonna get some lunch. Bye-bye.
Well, this certainly has turned into a potentially uncomfortable situation, Jib.
Sure has, Hank.
Gotta do something to stop the madness. Must stop itching.
Please eating me alive. Maybe watch TV. Take mind off of itching.
Kumbaya. Nothing on but golf.
He's lining up the shot. He's really concentrating. He's almost there, and he's about to putt. He realigns his shot.
Kumbaya, look. Golf. So boring. Boring fleas to death.